Hello everyone! The No Sure Thing indicator for binary options, or KST for short, is a new type of oscillator. Its main purpose is to evaluate the strength of price momentum based on the smoothed rate of change across 4 different time frames. This indicator can generate several types of trading signals, but not all of them are suitable for binary options trading. In this review, we will explain how to use this tool in the most effective way. Let's install the KST indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The indicator itself, as well as our template with all settings, is installed in the standard way. You will find the link to the archive with the indicator and detailed installation instructions in the description below this video. Now let's examine the operating principle and key settings of this indicator. The KST was developed by the well-known trader and technical analyst Martin Pring. Many traders are likely familiar with his classic works such as Technical Analysis Explained, Indicator Analysis, and How to Invest Using Technical Analysis. The main idea Pring conveys to his readers is that technical analysis is a tool for evaluating market cycles and crowd psychology. By combining trend analysis, momentum, and macroeconomic factors, he created a trading method that has remained popular for many years. One element of his comprehensive approach to studying financial markets is the No Sure Thing indicator, which literally means to know for sure. This tool is widely used in various trading strategies to identify both short-term and long-term trend reversals. What exactly is this indicator? At first glance, KST appears to be a standard momentum oscillator. However, unlike similar tools, No Sure Thing combines 4 smoothed moving averages of the rate of change indicator, each calculated with different time parameters. As a result, the trader gains the ability to quickly assess both the direction and the speed of price changes across 4 time frames simultaneously, providing a comprehensive approach to determining the strength and direction of the trend while filtering out unnecessary market noise. The KST indicator can generate 3 types of signals. The primary signal occurs when it crosses the signal line, trend confirmation occurs when it crosses the 0 level, and the third type is divergence. Let us examine each of them in more detail. Signal line crossover. Like most oscillators, the No Sure Thing indicator has its own signal line, which is calculated as a moving average of its values. A signal to buy call options appears when the KST line crosses the signal line from below upward, indicating strengthening bullish momentum. Similarly, for put options, a crossover of the KST line from above downward signals weakening momentum and indicates an appropriate time to open short positions if you are trading on the Forex market. Zero line crossover. The zero line of the indicator serves as a key boundary between bullish and bearish market sentiment. Its crossover confirms the development of a trend in a particular direction. If the KST line rises above 0, this indicates buyer dominance and a favorable moment to open call options. When the line falls below 0, sellers take control. Divergence. A divergence signal occurs when the asset price and the KST indicator move in opposite directions. Bullish divergence appears when the asset forms a new lower low, while the KST line forms a higher low. Bearish divergence occurs when the asset forms a new higher high, while the KST indicator forms a lower high. Both examples are shown on the screen. On the left is bullish divergence, and on the right is bearish divergence. The No Sure Thing indicator has many parameters, but only a few of them are essential. First of all, attention should be paid to the calculation periods of the built-in ROC indicator. These 4 periods determine how quickly the KST reacts to market changes. Based on our tests on the M5 timeframe for the USD-JPY currency pair, we can recommend the settings shown on the screen. However, keep in mind that the parameters should be selected individually according to your asset and timeframe. At the same time, it is recommended to leave the price type and the moving average method used in the calculations unchanged. If you would like to gain a deeper understanding of trading strategy development and the fundamentals of exchange trading, we recommend reviewing a selection of books on this topic. Let us look at the rules for trading binary options using this indicator. We will trade KST based on signals of the first type, the crossover of the signal line. To do this, it is necessary to wait for a blue dot to appear below the candle for purchasing call options and a red dot above the candle for purchasing put options. These visual elements help the trader easily identify on the chart the candle where the KST line crossed its signal line. So to open a call option, it is necessary: 1. Wait for the KST indicator to cross its signal line from bottom to top. 2. A blue dot has appeared below the candle. 3. On the opening of a new interval, purchase a call option. To open a put option, it is necessary: 1. Wait for the KST indicator to cross its signal line from top to bottom. 2. A red dot has appeared above the candle. 3. On the opening of a new interval, purchase a put option. We recommend setting the expiration time to 3 candles. However, the optimal holding period will depend on the specific asset and should be selected by you based on the results of historical data testing. This approach will help adapt the strategy to the characteristics of the selected instrument and improve its effectiveness. Now a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this indicator. To increase the effectiveness of the KST indicator, its author, Martin Pring, recommended using its signals not in isolation, but in combination with trend lines and candlestick patterns. Based on practical experience with this tool, it can be said that it shows the best results on higher timeframes, since it was originally designed to track medium-term and long-term cycles of financial markets. One of the undeniable advantages of this oscillator is a more comprehensive and multidimensional market analysis due to the use of price rate of change calculations across 4 different timeframes in its formula. This allows KST to effectively filter short-term market noise and generate clearer signals of a trend reversal. Among the disadvantages of KST is a certain lag in signals due to the large number of smoothing calculations involved in its formula. As a result, by the time a trading signal appears, a significant part of the price movement may have already occurred. In ranging market conditions, the indicator can generate a large number of false signals. The No Sure Thing indicator for binary options, abbreviated as KST, is a fairly powerful tool for determining trend direction and reversals. However, due to the complexity of its calculations and the large number of settings, it is not recommended for beginners. This tool is best used in combination with chart analysis and Japanese candlestick patterns. And remember, any strategy or indicator is only a tool that requires proper use. Always test and verify the indicator on a demo account and on historical data, while following sound risk and money management principles. Choose only trusted brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated ranking. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website to stay informed about the latest updates in binary options, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone stable profits and disciplined trading. And to eliminate any doubts about the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its performance in real time and confirm that its signals do not repaint.